This apartment rental management system allows users to efficiently handle the rental process. It enables tenants to rent apartments by selecting available units, providing necessary information, and choosing a payment option. User can also update rental details, end a rental when the term is over, and view both rented and available apartment. The system tracks payment details including the total rental cost and remaining balance. This ensures smooth apartment management, making it easy to track available and occupied units as well as manage tenant information and payments.
This program operates as a command line interface where users can perform the following actions. One is rent an apartment. Users can choose an apartment from a predefined range up to 1 to 30. Input details like the tenant's name, start date, duration, and payment method. The program calculates the total rent based on the apartment type and duration, and it allows for either full or partial payment options. Next is the update rental information. The program enables the user to update existing rental details, such as tenant name or start date. For the next is the end a rental. When a rental ends, the apartment is marked as available again, ensuring easy tracking of vacant units. Next is the view all apartments. It displayed detailed information about rented apartments and highlights which apartments are currently available.